Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we are going to practice calculating slope given 2 points. Okay, that's what we're going to do here in this bottom green folder. Guys, here's the formula. This should be review. The difference between the y's over the difference between the x's, okay? This is how I do it. I'm going to say slope is this. I take a point and write upside down. I just take the first one. Doesn't matter what you call y2 and y1. I just take the first point, whatever they give me. 15 over 10. Remember, this is the x and this is the y. So the x goes underneath. I write the point upside down. All right, 15, 10. I just write it upside down. I do the same, then I put minus signs and do the same with this one. Write it upside down. 12, 11. All right, that's our answer. All right, we're going to do every one just like that. Slope equals, draw my line. Take the first point upside down. So that the x is on the bottom. And negative, minus. Take this point upside down. Don't forget the negative here. All right, again, this is -2, -17. Whenever you see the negative and the negative, you can switch them both to positive. All right, whenever you see the negative and the negative, a negative of a negative becomes a positive. What is this, 36? That's 12. Our answer is 3. Okay, let's do the next one. And I start with my form. Take this point, write it upside down. 0, -4. Remember, the x goes on the bottom. Y goes on top. Put my minus sign in there because I'm going to subtract, because that's the formula, guys. And you subtracting the difference between them. How far apart are they? This is a distance between them. All right? Remember, there's 2 points. And we're trying to kind of look at this triangle. We're looking at, the difference between the x's, the difference between the y's. That's what we're doing here, okay? I'm sorry. That was 1 point. Do the next point. 2, -2. Remember, when you see negative, negative like that, make them positive. This is -4 plus 2. That's -2. 0 minus 2, that's also -2. That's 1, okay? -2 over -2, that's 1. All right, let's keep going. This is number 4 I'm looking at right here. Write the point upside down. Put my minus sign. Write the next point upside down. Minus minus means plus for both. All right, 3 plus 17, that's 20. 9 minus 7, that's 2. This has a slope of 10. It's very steep. All right, we're going to keep going. There's 8 problems. I'm going to do them all. This is number 5. Upside down. Just double check. I got the X on the bottom, Y on the top. Yep, just double check. Same thing here. All right, minus, minus, plus, plus. Minus, minus, plus, plus. All right, this is 29. This is 28. That's the answer. All right, next one. Start with your form. Take the point, write it upside down. Put your negative sign. And we're subtracting. And write this point upside down. I see minus, minus right there, so I can make them both into a plus. Negative 16 minus 4 more is negative 20. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. I got negative 10. Oh, I got 2 more to go. Write the point upside down so that the Y's on top. Put your minus sign and write the next point. Now, if you decide to write this one first and then this one, you get the same answer. You get the same answer, okay? It doesn't matter which, as long as you stay consistent. All right, this is plus, plus. Negative 19 plus 14 is negative 5. See, 19 is bigger, so it's negative, so we end up with negative left over. Same here. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative over a negative, that's positive. 5 over 2, that's the answer. Our last one, number 8. Upside down point. Upside down point. Negative, negative right here. 16 plus 3 is 19. Negative 10 minus 20 more is negative 30. And that's okay, but I'm just going to write the negative on top. I can just move it up top. So it's negative 19 over 30. That's the final answer. Okay, guys, the exit ticket is like that. There are 8 problems where you just calculate the slope given 2 points. All right, so go ahead and do the exit ticket now, okay? Thank you.